All right, my friends, hopefully you had some success putting this exercise together. So let's do it together right now. Back inside of my editor, I'm going to find my component screen component right here. I'm going to delete everything inside there, just so I can start from scratch so you can see how I would approach this in a normal component. So inside of here, I'm going to put in a return statement because I know I need to return some amount of JSX. And I know that I need to return multiple different elements. So I'm going to place down a set of parentheses and put all my different elements inside of here. Next up, I know I need to show two pieces of text. Anytime I need to return multiple different elements, I'm always going to wrap them inside of one single component. So in this case, I'll put down my view, like so, and then inside there, I'll place two text elements. Now in the first one, we had said that we wanted to have the text, what was it, getting started with React Native. So I'll say getting started with React Native. And then in the second one, we need to say my name is, and then whatever our name is. But the special requirement here was to assign our name to a variable ahead of time. So at the top of the function, I'll say const name is my name of Steven. And then I can print up that variable inside this text element by placing a set of curly braces and then name like so. Okay, so that looks pretty good on the content side. So I'm going to save this really quickly and test it out. Yep, looks good. So now we just need to apply a little bit of styling. So to do so, I'm going to come down to my styles object. Right now, we've got an existing text style with a font size of 30. For the first text element, we had said that we wanted a font size of 45. So I'm going to reuse this existing one and just change the font size to 45. Then after that, I'll create a second styling group. I'll call this second one like subheader style. And I'll give it a font size of 20. So now I can apply both these different styles to the appropriate text elements. On the first text element, I'll say style is styles.textStyle. And then on the second one, I'll do a style of styles.subheaderStyle, because on that second text element, I want to specifically have the font size of 20. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So I'll save this file, and yep, looks good. Now, if you had any trouble with this first exercise, do not sweat it. We've only been talking about React here for a couple of minutes. We're going to have a lot of more exercises later on inside this course, so you'll have many different opportunities to polish up your skills. Okay, so let's take a quick pause right here and continue in the next video.